The huge concentration of different supply networks and utilities becomes a more and more problematic situation in the area of urban construction. The repeated and partly uncoordinated construction works of utility and energy suppliers connected with it put a strain on the cities' and communities' infrastructures. Growing technical requirements, rising costs and permanent construction sites are the consequences. Especially construction projects in busy or cramped areas call for alternative and new solutions. Solutions for complex and flexible development tasks, urban renewal and reconstruction. A model for a space-saving, fast, flexible and high-quality construction. The combined installation and operation of a supply and disposable network in one system. Is it a long-term possibility and a space-saving solution? The search for the effective solution resulted in a flexible and future-proof logistic model. As the European base of the worldwide established consulting and engineering group Haida Consulting, the ACERplan planning company is responsible in its extensive efforts to make European innovation economically viable in the worldwide market. The RSS system is a space and time-saving solution for innovative building potential. This innovative logistic model comprises optimized dual manholes combined with a unique, especially designed soil building material for filling the pipe trench. The patented system components RSS manhole and RSS liquid cavity fill offer excellent properties and convincing advantages. Due to its unique design, the RSS manhole system component ensures a long service life and functionality. In the RSS manhole, the separation of sewage and stormy water in one manhole as a basic version can be extended by means of extra system modules for the entire supply network to become a complex multi-utility solution. The RSS ring manhole consists of several components, which results in small component weights. The stainless steel transference pipe used for stormwater allows multiple points of connection at a reasonable price and ensures a long service life on account of the material used. The special design of the RSS ring manhole leads to a hydraulically favorable channel routing and more room for manholes of smaller dimensions. This system is mainly employed in the case of a close lateral distance between the sanitary and stormwater sewer, or in the case of opposite sense slopes. Apart from the RSS ring manhole, the RSS monolithic manhole can be used. This manhole is applied when there is a small invert differences between sewage and stormwater. The RSS manhole allows an optimum trench geometry and width and can accommodate additional supply lines. They meet all legal and official requirements. The RSS system construction works require only minimum staff resources. In this project, in the immediate vicinity of a river, sanitary and stormwater sewers, drinking water and electric lines, as well as the telephone lines, are laid simultaneously in one RSS trench. The preliminaries to the setting of an RSS manhole are implemented. The short pipe is pressed into the joint piece and is located into the future stormwater axis. During pipe laying, the respective pipe axis is permanently checked. Storm and sanitary sewers are laid exactly up to the future manhole position. The pipe spigots are prepared to be connected to the manhole. The RSS manhole is lowered into the prepared trench. Then, the pipe spigots of the sanitary and storm sewers are connected to the manhole. Dependent on the depth, all other supply and disposal lines are installed in the trench before backfilling it with the other RSS system component, the RSS liquid cavity fill. Without delay, the finished RSS liquid cavity fill is ordered and filling of the trench can commence. Due to its high degree of flexibility, the RSS system allows pipe laying in a special method. This leads to a very important construction progress and thus to shorter interruptions of local traffic flow. Schematic survey. Trenching. Installation of the RSS manhole. Setting of point beddings. Sanitary sewer laying. Setting the fixing devices to the position and buoyancy protection of the pipeline. Filling with RSS liquid cavity fill. Stormwater sewer laying. Setting of fixing devices. Filling up to street level with RSS liquid cavity fill. A second RSS system component is the RSS liquid cavity fill. The specifically designed and patented RSS liquid cavity fill is a method of temporary liquidification of any type of soil. With a kind of modular design, it can be adapted to meet all the relevant requirements of soil building materials and installation needs. The RSS liquid cavity fill is a self-compacting and self-solidifying soil building material and can be made from any usable types of soil such as sand, gravel, recycled material or usual excavated soil. Even loamy, argillaceous and silty materials can be processed. Thus, with this method, any excavated material can be used and waste can be avoided. The uncomplicated production comprises a dry blend process without any expensive technology. A special RSS liquid cavity fill compound is added to the soil. This compound can be bought from wholesalers all over the world. A weighing appliance installed in the wheel loader determines the amount of the components and records it on a weighbridge ticket for quality management purposes. The dry soil compound mixture is loaded and immediately added to the mix water, or if necessary, not until on site. Due to its temporary flowing ability, the RSS liquid cavity fill allows a complete enclosing of all used pipes and utilities. All the supply and disposal lines can be laid in a narrow construction space in such a manner that the individual lines are accessible at any time. Additional laying of supply networks and house drains is possible without any restrictions too. This is due to the spade processable consistency of the RSS liquid cavity fill after the solidification process. Since filling of the pipe trench is done without any mechanical compaction or recompaction, noise and dust emissions as well as vibrations during construction are reduced to a minimum. Particularly in the case of adjacent old building fabric, this is an essential advantage over the traditional filling process. Moreover, faults during compaction can be avoided and thus settlements can be eliminated. The advantages of the RSS liquid cavity fill are quite obvious. Floating and thus unstressed laying of pipes, high laying quality and increase of service life, substantially shorter construction periods, anti-vibration installation, construction cost reduction, reuse of excavated soil and protection of natural resources. The RSS system, an innovative system for a space-saving, fast, flexible and high-quality construction. On account of both its system components RSS manhole and RSS liquid cavity fill, it is a particularly economic solution. The RSS system reduces investment costs and costs for the operation of the supply network, reduces construction, space and time. It is of an especially high quality and thus durable. Due to its forward-looking design, this logistic model is particularly future-proof and flexible. After installation and without any further earthworks and roadworks, other utilities can be integrated. Existing pipes can be replaced or adapted to new capacities. Therefore, it enables a high planning reliability. The RSS system, a fully developed logistic model for town planners, network operators and investors.